Hey, Dr. Aziz here. And in this short video, you're going to learn the difference between the three core confidence training programs that you can get on this site. Now, I get a lot of questions via email. People say, well, I read your book or I watched your YouTube videos and I want to go deeper and I've heard great things about these programs, but I don't know which one should I start with and what's the difference. And so this short video is going to help answer those questions. So there are three core confidence training programs, and they have a little bit of overlap because all confidence has to, but they're very distinct and they teach completely different things. So at the end of the day, I think all three are extremely beneficial, and eventually you might want to invest in all three. But to help you understand which one to start with first, let's dive into each one. So first we have Confidence Unleashed, and that's like a core confidence building program. It's going to unleash your confidence in every area of your life. And in that program, think power, boldness, assertiveness, stepping up, you being you in the world. And that means shedding any story that says you're not good enough, that people aren't going to like you, any negative story that stops you from you being you, how to break through that fast and let go of any of the old past experiences that got in your way and just start stepping forward with more boldness, more authenticity, more confidence now. And then you learn about specifically how to use that in the different areas of your life, how to do it at work, how to be more assertive, how to speak up, how to use that in your dating life, how to use that in your social life, how to bring more powerful version of you to all areas of life. If you're hung up on what people are going to think of you and you're timid and you're quiet and you're nervous and I just can't do it, speak up, and you want to feel powerful and strong and confident, that's the program for you. The next program is the Confidence Code. Now, the Confidence Code is going to teach you one of the most valuable skills in the world, which is how to talk to people and become way more charismatic, likable, and just, connect with people. And that's extremely valuable for your career, for your dating and relationships, for your social life, and just to be a happy human. We have to be able to connect with other people. And that program goes deep into two areas to help you do that. One is all the skills you need on how to talk to people, what to say, how to start conversations, nitty-gritty stuff, how to go, how to share, the levels of connection, how to know what level we're talking at and deepen it if you want to. It's going to give you a sense that you can really control and influence the conversation as opposed to just being the passenger where someone's like, how's it going? And you're like, good. What do I say next? Right? That's the program for you if you've been stuck with that. Now, in order to be able to do all those skills, the whole first half of the program is about self-esteem. And so if you are a massive critic to yourself and always giving yourself a hard time, that program is really going to help you. Because I realize you can have all this, social skills in the world, but if you don't know that you're an awesome person to talk to and you don't really like yourself, then you repel people or you certainly get overlooked by them. So that program is going to help you like yourself, get on your own side, master self-compassion and optimal self-coaching, I call it, and then how to talk to anyone, and break into groups. There's just tons of specific examples of how to talk and what to say in different situations, how to be engaging in conversations, how to be a great conversationalist. That is the Confidence Code. The other program, 30 Days to Dating Mastery, probably fairly obvious what that program is about. It's about mastering your dating life. But what's unique about this program is it goes in stages. There's 4 phases in the program, and they're specifically guided step by step. It's based upon a gradual exposure model, one of the things I developed and learned in my clinical training, and TSW. That shit works. Science says so. So when we gradually build up our exposure to something, we rapidly reduce and overcome any fear. That just happens formulaically. It's going to happen again and again. So the first phase is all about you getting clear on why you're an awesome person to date and letting go of all that stuff that you say that why you suck and why you're not good enough. The next phase is starting to address your fear out in the world and approaching people, all people, not just women, but just being really comfortable in your own skin. Then the third phase is all about, well, how do I approach women? And attractive women, women that I'm scared to approach in the past, how do I overcome that fear? And then the fourth stage is all about, well, how do you date? What do you do on dates? How to be more, overcome the fear of dating and all the more nuances, sex, some of the nuances that come with dating that, we need to know and we need to be able to have confidence in. So that's 30 Days to Dating Mastery. Those are the 3 core programs. For each of them, you can click on the button there and it will take you to a page where you can enter your email, and then I'll send you, specific trainings around that topic. around how to be more bold or conversation strategies. So you get a sense of what's in the program, and you can find out a lot more about that as well. So hopefully that helps you decide which is the best program for you. And here's the thing. Any of these will help you. Any of these can transform your life. Because when you show up and say, I'm going to learn this stuff and I'm going to do it, you can radically shift this stuff. The story that says you're stuck is completely false. It's just a matter of stepping up, applying yourself, learning this, and doing it. So I encourage you to check out the program that's right for you, and I'll talk to you soon.